Today, it's all about multi-gen homes here on the Space Coast. If you're looking for private space for family or guests, multi-gen homes like this Camden give you that versatility. We're gonna head inside and tour this multi-gen Camden and talk about pricing, cost of ownership, and where you can find more multi-gen plans like this here on the Space Coast. Let's go. All right, we're gonna just jump right into this Camden property tour, and I'm gonna be referencing the floor plan throughout the entire video and the room dimensions and as DR Horton calls them. So if you guys wanna copy this to follow along, I've got it linked up down in the description. All you have to do is go there and you can get a copy. So follow me here. Let's go ahead and start off in this front bedroom. This is gonna be, as it's listed on the floor plan, bedroom 3. This is gonna come in at 1011 by 12. And this is think of this series of home as almost like an executive level home. All the bedrooms are gonna be separate, so everyone's gonna have their own living space, including that multi-gen. And these two front bedrooms right here have this Jack and Jill bathroom that connects them. You're gonna have quartz tops, dual sink vanity. You've got your tub shower combo and toilet in here with a private door. And then this is gonna be bedroom 4. Bedroom 4 is gonna come in at 12 by 11.7. So this bedroom is slightly larger than the bedroom there in the front. They both have, I would say, standard closets with the outswing doors. You've got high ceilings. You'll notice in these rooms right now, this is a model home that we're in, but the flooring in the bedrooms is carpet. One of the options that you have if you did decide to build here in this particular community, which I'm gonna talk more about here in just a minute, you have the option of switching out the carpet and adding the RevWood plank floor in the bedrooms, just like you do in the main living space. The other thing I wanna point out is these homes do have the jump ducts for the AC return, so you're not gonna have any of the pass-through cutouts above the door right here. You may not care about that, but sometimes those little details are things that I like to point out. I'm not a big fan of the jump duct or the pass-through vents up here. So we're gonna work our way back into the main living area. Follow me this way first. We're gonna go see this side of the home here in just a minute, but I wanna show you the main living area first. This is gonna be your formal dining area. This is gonna come in at 12.9 by 11.8. Does have tray ceilings. It comes with a recessed can light here that you could swap out for a pendant light if you wanted to do that. That's gonna lead right into your great room here. This is gonna come in at 19.4 by 19.9. Now, if you're new here, my name is Joey Guest with Team Real Local, and we help people from all over, just like you, relocate here to the Space Coast in Central Florida. So if you're interested in making a move, definitely reach out to us. I've got our phone number right here. And if you're considering new construction, make sure you contact us first. If you go to a builder before contacting us, they may not allow you to have representation. So any questions, you can reach me, call or text right here. Now follow me this way. Let's continue through the home here. You can see you've got your kitchen. So kitchen has a nice view overlooking your dining room, your great room. Lots of windows in this home with natural lighting. Kitchen's gonna come standard with quartz tops. You do have a couple options that you can choose from with the quartz. You're gonna have the tile backsplash, stainless appliances. And then this area right here is referred to as the cafe. You may call it a breakfast nook. This is 10 by 10. But one of the options that you actually have with this room is you can convert the cafe into an office. So essentially what that would do is that would add some in-swinging doors right here with the glass panel insert. So if you could make this an office, which would give you an additional space. Now follow me this way. Let's go check out the owner suite right here in the back of the house. On the floor plan, this is referred to as bedroom 1. This is gonna come in at 18.2 by 13.9. I like these 3 big windows they've got right here in the back. You do have a tray ceiling. This one's got 5 can lights in it. So if you wanted to add a ceiling fan, you could take out that middle can light, have a fan, and still have your recessed lighting there. And then this bathroom. This has got something that a lot of people have been asking for in new construction. You actually have a separate tub. So you've got the soaker tub, stand-up shower. Say what's up to Christian right there, my man. Not only is the camera guy, he's also part of the team. And then in the bathroom, obviously dual sink vanities right here, nice big walk-in closet, and then your water closet right here, what I like to refer to it as the think tank. So follow me this way. I'm gonna go outside here and I wanna show you the lanai area. And we're gonna talk a little bit about what this specific community that we're in offers. And then I'm also gonna give you, well, I'll just tell you right now, this is one of the first multi-gen homes floor plans that you can actually get here on the Space Coast, unless you were looking at previously like a custom home. But if you're looking for more of a production build, you don't really have a lot of options for multi-gen. I'm gonna show you in just a minute. We're gonna go look outside and I'm gonna go take you over to the multi-gen suite and show you that. But there's actually several different places now in Brevard County here on the Space Coast where you can get multi-gen homes. We're gonna talk a little bit more about that. Let's go outside right here. You do have this big panoramic slider that's gonna take you out back. You've got paver lanai right here, water view lots. One of the things about this community that we're in, this is Harbor Lake Estates. We're right here in Titusville, brand new community, very small community. There's only a limited number of home sites here, but you've got great proximity to Kennedy Space Center. Boeing is just a couple miles away, but 90% of the home sites in Harbor Lake Estates right here are gonna have some sort of water view. And it's not just a tiny pond. I mean, it's a pretty big size lake. So it's got a great view, a really good aesthetic right here. One of the things that I forgot to mention earlier when we were walking through the home are the doors. Another upgrade that you can make structurally is 8-foot doors. Now, let's go up front right here and let me show you the multi-gen suite. So as you come in the front door, we already toured these bedrooms and this bathroom. If we would turn right, this is where you're gonna find the multi-gen suite. Before you get there, you do have a half bathroom right here, single sink, vanity, toilet. You've got your laundry room right here. Now this laundry room does feature another structural upgrade that you can get, which is gonna be the extended countertops with the sink and the stackable washer and dryer. Right here, that's gonna take you to your 3-car garage. You do have a little area right here where you could put a little drop station, a linen closet, and then this is gonna be that multi-gen suite. And this is, you can see that has its own private living area. We're gonna come back to that in just a minute. Follow me in here first, okay? This is the bedroom for the multi-gen. This room is gonna come in at 12 by 14. It does have its own bathroom, single sink, vanity, toilet, tub, shower combo, all right here. It's got a walk-in closet, also has the tray ceiling with the recessed lighting, nice size window here for some natural light. And now follow me back into the living area of the multi-gen, because it does have, there's a couple different ways you could configure this. So I'm gonna explain how this one is set up, and I'll talk about some of the options you have. So this one is set up with the kitchenette. So it's gonna have a full-size refrigerator, a sink here, fully plumbed. There is no microwave, but you could put a microwave or a hot plate in here if you wanted to. And this one has the private entrance. So if you look at the floor plan right here, there is an option where you could not have this private entrance right here, but if you're gonna have a multi-gen, I think having that private entrance and access to the main home is a pretty cool feature. So that's exterior access right there. You can see, I'll put up another shot here where you can see through that patio right there. You can also access the garage privately as well. All right, so you're probably wondering, how much does the Camden cost? Well, in Harbor Lake Estates here in Titusville, the way this home is currently laid out, pricing is gonna range between $638,000 to $650,000. The biggest variable is gonna be your home site. Certain home sites, bigger lake view, are gonna have a higher premium. DR Horton, at the time I'm shooting this video, is offering $15,000 in closing costs plus $5,000 in flex cash. And there are certain homes that you can get a promotional interest rate on of 3.875 that is on a conventional loan. Now make sure you reach out to us first so you can have the most up-to-date pricing and incentives, because these things change all the time. We've also got some secrets we can share with you offline here on how you can get better deals and better incentives on new construction homes. Now, if you're wondering what Harbor Lake Estates offers as a community, I'm gonna go over and explain all of that right here. I'll see you there.